Hello guys, today I want to show you how I will plant my lilies. I love lilies a lot. They could be in different colors, different shapes, different sizes. This one I got today. It's a mix of pink and white ones, and I want to create like a composition in one pot. So you can plant it on the ground, you can plant it in a pot. I will plant in a pot. What about the lilies? Lilies can be planted in a container anytime during the summer. They are winter resistant, they are pretty hardy, and they actually want some frost during the winter, so when they are dormant, to perform better during the summer. So they don't like very much like zones like from 9 to 10, and they will perform better from zone 3 to 8. We're got in zone 8, so they should be just fine. So I'm gonna plant them in a pot and leave them outside. What about the planting? So the lilies do like a lot of sun too, so they will need like 6-8 hours of direct sun during the day. Of course, like well drained rich soil, and also they like to be planted a little bit deeper than other bulbs. So for lilies it would be like 13-15 inches deep. It will help them to do not struggle when it's getting too hot outside. So the root will be actually a little bit cooler when you plant it a little bit deeper. I'm gonna make the holes in my dirt. So about the soil, we do use our own mix. You just can use your own garden soil and mix with a little bit compost or peat moss, whatever you got, and it will be just good. And use a complex fertilizer. To planting, we got here five actually, really nice, but they already start growth, as you see. So we're gonna plant it just like that. And I already made a one hole here, so I'm gonna put the 5 in one pot, and I wanna put them like try as deep as I can in a hole. About the spacing, it's depend on what you want to have. If it's a kind of like a mixed border, or you're doing a mix of the few colors, you can plant them pretty tight, like just the whatever inches you got. But if you want to make a group, so you plant them a little bit more wider, and it depends on how tall they are. So I'm going to water those bulbs right now, and thank you for watching. See you next time.